Hello superfans, and welcome again to another exciting edition of my organizing vlog. And as you can see, there's so many plastic bags, especially under the sink. You might be very much overwhelmed on how to organize it, and this vlog will tell you how. So this one, I will help you how to organize your shopping bags. And then fold it into half. And another half. Just like this. And then at the end, you have to fold it in a triangular shape. Just like how you fold the flag. So same principle as this one. Just continue like that. Triangle, 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 and at the end, this one, you can just put it here. You can just tuck it in. And now you have an organized plastic bag. This is one thing that you can do while you're inside the house, while you're on community quarantine or whatever. Okay, bye! You'll be able to get the hang of it by practicing more on all the plastic bags. So I made it like maybe half an hour, all these 50 plus plastic bags, and it's so easy once you get a good grasp of the tricks on how to fold it properly. It is indeed so rewarding and so satisfying to see all your plastic bags folded and organized, and then you will see that you have more space to use, and it's so nice to see, and there's less clutter, and it will give you a sense of being organized also in your kitchen. I suggest that whenever you go for shopping, you can reuse the plastic bags, or whenever you have a new ones, you just try to fold it straight away so that you will not actually build up all the plastic bags under your sink or anywhere in the kitchen. This is actually a very good practice of recycling and reusing all our plastic bags that we have acquired from shopping. Recycling and reusing all the plastic bags is a very good habit that we should try to enforce to everyone. This can also be a bonding activity with your family members, especially the children, because it develops them a sense of organization as early as possible. But make sure that everyone should be around to supervise them, as plastic bags actually cause suffocation as well. Either small, medium, or large, the plastic bags should actually be folded, and it will actually vary in the sizes of the triangle depending on the size of the bags itself. Mentioning the various sizes of your plastic bags, where there's small, medium, or small, medium, large in triangles after you have folded it, so you have a chance of segregating them. So once segregated, it will be easier for you to what desired size of plastic bags or shopping bags you're going to use whenever you go out for shopping. As easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, you can be able to organize all your plastic bags into small, medium, and large triangles. Another tip is that just make sure all your plastic bags are actually dry inside and out, so that when you try to fold it, it will not create any foul smell after some time you stored it in your kitchen cabinets. Remove anything inside the bags, such as receipts, stickers, or crumbs, and all these items will contaminate your bag load. Keep a bag collection bin in your house, such as one big garbage bag for all bags. Since they compact easily, you should be able to fit 50 to 100 folded plastic bags in one garbage bag. Recycling a ton of plastic bags, about 450,000 bags, saves 11 barrels of oil in production. Due to the negative effects of plastic bags, most of the retail shops and even grocery and supermarket stores opted to use paper bags now. They are more biodegradable and safer for our environment. Some of the supermarkets also have introduced the BYOB, or bring your own bag. Otherwise, they will charge extra if you actually opted to buy plastic bags from them. In a way, this will actually encourage all their customers to bring their own bags instead of paying up whenever they wanted to have an extra bags for their own. Some of the shops actually resorted to photodegradable plastic, which is usually made up of oil-based polymers. Just like ordinary plastic, it either has bonds in its structure that can be weakened and broken by sunlight, or it contains a chemical additive which absorbs light and then attacks the polymer and breaks some of the bonds. Well, in layman's term, photodegradable plastics gradually break down with exposure to light. They are used to reduce the problem of litter and its resulting damage to the environment by becoming brittle and breaking down into smaller pieces when exposed to light for a prolonged period of time. According to one of the articles of National Geographic made online, here are some of the key facts about plastics. Did you know that half of all plastics ever manufactured have been made in the last 15 years? The production increased exponentially from 2.3 million tons to 1950 to 448 million tons by 2015. Production is expected to double by 2050, which is quite alarming for the whole world. Every year, about 8 million tons of plastic waste escapes into the oceans from coastal nations. That's the equivalent of setting 5 garbage bags full of trash on every foot of coastline around the world. Plastics often contain additives making them stronger, more flexible, and durable. But many of these additives can extend the life of products if they become litter, with some estimates ranging to at least 400 years to break down, and that is actually more alarming than ever. As mentioned in the National Geographic article, the solution to prevent plastic waste from entering rivers and seas is to improve the waste management systems and recycling. So let's do our share, everyone. You can actually see the difference from a clutter-free kitchen by folding all your plastic bags.